How to fix Samsung Galaxy Watch that won't turn on. First off, if possible, do not let your Samsung Galaxy Watch drain its battery completely, as that's the most common cause that the device would no longer turn on or respond even if it's connected to the charger. I've read a lot of complaints from online forums about this problem, and only a few knew what to do when this actually happens. Many would resort to opening the device, but it takes more than just removing the screws in front and back to open up this device. Others would also resort to listing their defective smartwatch up on eBay, which apparently won't help. Place it on its charging dock and leave it for an hour or two. Connect the device to another power source. Clip it on the cradle but don't connect the charger. Bring it to the service center. Unless there are visible signs of physical damage, or if the device was submerged in water for a very long time, then the problem could be minor or due to a drained battery. However, if the battery was drained completely, it may take several minutes to respond. Some users even reported leaving their Galaxy Watch on the charging dock overnight only to find out in the morning when they woke up that the device was still insufficiently charged. It is supposed to be fully charged in an hour or two, but remember that it takes both the hardware and firmware to charge the watch normally, but with the battery completely drained, only the hardware will be left to replenish the battery, and that would take some time to complete. But the thing is, this very simple procedure can fix this problem. It just takes time. Well, all procedures do. Assuming you've already left the device on its charging dock for several hours and you're still not seeing improvements or signs of life, then try connecting the charger to a different power source. It may also help to connect the device to a computer and see if that makes it respond. There were cases wherein the screen turned on shortly after the device was connected to a laptop and the battery was still sufficiently charged. Just because your watch doesn't respond does not mean it has an empty battery. Now, the next solution is the most popular among these procedures, and it's actually the most effective, as many reported they fixed their Galaxy Watch that won't turn on just by doing this. All you need to do is clip your watch to its cradle. Don't connect it to its charger and just let it sit for several hours or a day or two. You would only connect it when the screen turns on, but until then, you just have to wait. If none of these procedures work for you, then bring the device to the service center or sell it on eBay as defective, and many would actually buy it if they knew that the only problem is that it won't turn on. Don't expect it to be sold for half its original price, as no one would pay that much for a defective device. I hope that this troubleshooting guide can help you fix the problem with your Samsung Galaxy Watch. Do let us know in the comment section what works for you or what you did to fix the problem with your device.